Hi guys, it's Sydney with Tea for the Soul, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this really simple look that is actually easier than a braid, and it is a like topsy twirl braid ponytail thing. You'll see what I mean. It's really cute. Hope you guys get a new fun hairstyle idea, and like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so first things first, we're just going to brush the hair out, make sure we don't have any tangles, just kind of smooth everything. I'm going to take all of my hair to one side and begin to put in a loose ponytail. Just like that. I like to use these clear rubber bands. They're super discreet. I like it. Now the very first step to this look is taking another one of those rubber bands, putting it about 1.5 inches below the first rubber band. We're going to put that on there, and now we're going to separate that little area and flip it through backwards. Then we're going to tighten it up and just kind of tug. Now we're going to repeat this step, so you just tie it on there, separate the area, flip it through backwards, and then tighten and tug. And we're just going to keep repeating this step until you get down to the bottom where there's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches left of your hair like you would a normal braid. So again, just pull it open, flip it through backwards, tug, and same thing, just keep going. As you can see, I'm almost done, so this is my last one. I'm going to flip it through. I was able to do 4 with my hair, just depending on your length. You'll be able to do whatever's right for your hair. Now I'm just going to kind of mess it up with my fingers, get that fun, trendy, rustic look, and that is that. Look how quick and easy that was, completely under 5 minutes, and it's not even a braid, but it's so cool. This is like the newest, coolest hairstyle. So girls, if you want to try this at home, just follow along to this tutorial, and I cannot wait to see how yours looks.